Example 1. Alan works for a printing company. It has been a little over 4 years since he was hired. When he was hired, he was told that he had 5 days of paid vacation time. For each year that he worked at the company, he would gain another 2 days of paid vacation time to a maximum of 25 days. We're going to answer letter A first. That says, how many paid vacation days does he now get at the end of 4 years of employment? This is a linear relationship, and the reason why we know it's a linear relationship is that the vacation days increase at a constant rate of 2 days per year. So we're going to use y equals mx plus b to model this relationship. But we have to know what each one of the variables represents. Y is going to represent the total vacation days. M is going to represent the number of days that increased each year, the rate of change. The X is going to represent the number of years of employment. And the B is going to represent the starting number of days, or starting number of vacation days. So now that we know what each one of the variables is going to represent, let's figure out what we know from the problem. So the total vacation days, that's the question we're asked to answer. How many vacation days does he have? So this is going to remain a variable, y. The rate of change, we've talked about a little bit, but it's going to be increased by 2 days of paid vacation every year. So this is going to be 2. Number of years of employment is going to be 4 years. It's up here. And his starting number of vacation days is listed down here below. Starting number of vacation days is 5 days of paid vacation time. So this is going to equal 5. And we're going to put this all together so that way we can solve for y. And we'll use the color red here. Y is going to equal, we're going to replace the m by 2. The x is going to get replaced by 4 plus the b, which is 5. So we have y equals 2 times 4 plus 5. And now we just need to solve for y using our order of operations. Parentheses, we don't have any parentheses to simplify. Exponents, there are no exponents in our equation. Multiplication, we have the 2 times 4, so let's go ahead and do that step. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. And we still have the plus 5. Now that we're done with multiplication, we have some addition and subtraction to do, which is the 8 plus 5. And 8 plus 5 is going to give us a total of 13 days of paid vacation. So that answers question A. He has 13 days of paid vacation. Now let's move on to question B. We need a little bit more room, so I'm going to slide down here a little bit. But we're answering letter B now. That's after how many years will he reach the maximum number of vacation days? So from our question, the maximum number of vacation days, let's put all of our variables down here first so that way we can keep referring to them. Y, I already listed what that means up above, but it's the total vacation days. Well, we're looking at the maximum number of vacation days, so let's figure out what that is. Maximum number of vacation days is listed right here, maximum of 25 days. So this is going to be 25. Then it says the rate of change in vacation days. Well, the rate of change has not changed at all. It's still 2 days per year. The x, well, that's what we're trying to figure out. How many years will he reach the maximum? So how many years? So in this case, the years is going to be the variable x. We're not going to change it. And the b is going to be the same. It's going to be the starting vacation days of 5 because he still starts out with 5. And now we just need to go through the process of solving for x. So we're going to plug these into our equation. Y equals mx plus b. We'll plug the y in. The y is 25. Equals the m. The m is 2. The x is going to be our unknown. And the plus b is going to be plus 5. Now we just need to solve for x. First step in solving for x is to get it by itself. So we kind of follow the opposite order of operations. We'll call that SAD-MEP instead of PEMDAS. So we want to look for anything added or subtracted to our variable x, and the thing added or subtracted to our variable x is that 5 over here. So we're going to subtract away 5 to get rid of it. And we'll end up with 20 equals 2x. Now we've gotten rid of our addition and subtraction. We do have some multiplication there, so we're now going to get rid of that by dividing by 2. And when we divide by the 2, we're going to get a final answer of x equals 10, and it'll be 10 years because that's what x represents. It represents the number of years of employment. So after 10 years of employment, he will reach the maximum number of vacation days of 25.